Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Josh the Hustler, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys on how to link your bank card on your PayPal account. I've talked about how to create a PayPal account in my past video, which I received a challenging comment from our fans or from my fans or one of my fans saying that what I'm saying is a lie and I should show proof on how to link card on there. Well, it pains me that someone is saying that I'm lying and all these kind of things that bring arguments, but I don't want to tackle with that. So I'm going to use this video to classify and to show that what I'm saying is proof or what I'm saying is true. And don't feel bad about not seeing my face fully. I had a critical challenge or had a critical terrible experience in the past few days. Well, I was robbed and I lost really everything except my laptop because I took out my laptop that day. So thank God that my laptop was not there, because if it was there, it cannot be seeing me right now. Maybe it will be my phone or my second phone I'll be using. But thank God I lost everything, both my camera, my phone, and like everything. But that will not make me to stop showing you guys content every day or trying to help people that needs help. You understand? So that's the reason why I make this video this way, in order to showcase this and then drive you guys through on this process and get your PayPal ready. Thank you for joining me and let's begin. So if you go straight to my PayPal, this is my PayPal, and you have to see that my PayPal card is linked. You have to see it here. I might block some part. Let me just open that PayPal side. You have to see I will block this part, so don't try to, because I'm trying to hide in my PayPal so that you guys or someone else will not tamper with it. You understand? So this is it. So I'm going to log out from this account and then log back to it. So I'm going to log out and then log back, and I promise that I will make step-by-step process of it. So I'm going to go over to login instead with password, then I click on login. So let's wait for it to log in. So definitely our account is now logged in right here. So this is the way it looks like. Here is send and here is wallet. Here is a send payment and this is it. Here is wallet and activities, a lot of them. You understand? So, and this is a my account. This is the summary and everything you have to see, you have to know. So right now I'm going to go over to linked. So when you click on linked, I'm going to get in my card. So I'm going to go over to my card to link that. So putting the number. So I put the card, then I'm going to put in the number, then put in my this thing, then put that, then click on link. So you guys will see right away that you linked your bank prepaid. So you have to click done, and definitely our cards have been linked in here. You have to see it. It's very simple, and I don't know why this is causing a lot of arguments between me and my fans. It's very simple. What you have to ask me, which card that works. So right now I'm going to clear the doubt. Which card will you use to get this linked? Because a lot of you guys say you have tried your own bank card and it's not working. So which card will work? Well, definitely for you to link your card successfully in this actual place, you need to use your cheaper card. There is one particular bank, online bank called Cheaper is an online bank that allows you to do online payments. So this actually Cheaper, I don't know the spelling, but I think it's Cheaper Catch. Yeah, this is it. So this actual bank allows you to do numerous tasks or do a lot of transaction online, and this card have helped a lot of users that want to receive their online payment. So what you have to do is go to Chiba, create your account, set it up, and then get your dollar card. I said use your dollar card, don't use naira card sometimes might not link or might not work. So you have to use your dollar card. I link the dollar card on your cheaper in order to link it in this actual place. And I believe this actual tutorial or this video will help you to link your card successfully on your PayPal, not neglecting what other people or YouTubers lie to you and then putting that blame on me. I had to see that I did everything. And this, if this you do it on your own and it works for you, kindly comment that it works for you, please, and send me the proof on my Instagram so that I will also show it on my community for them to see. And thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to like and comment, share my videos to your friends that are passing through this trauma of linking card or withdrawing from PayPal. If you want me to also fund my PayPal card or fund my PayPal account, I'll also do that definitely in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and peace out.